everybody, what is up? It's your girl Amanda back at it again with another video. This video is just a continuation and closing of the previous two videos. So I'm just going to be quickly trimming my hair and bumping my ends. And I'm gonna do it like real quick, okay? I just wanted to have the documentation on my channel, so it's not gonna be a very detailed video. However, if you wanna see how I trim my hair or how I bump my ends, I do have dedicated videos on my channel that I'll be linking up for you guys to see. So this is just gonna be, you know, a little fly through, okay? We're gonna fly through this video and y'all gonna see what y'all gonna see, but like, yeah, thank you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you got to this point, you are a real one, okay? Because I know this video was a lot of repetition, but thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share any, and I mean any, information that you need. Please do leave it down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get to that and let you know what you need to know, okay? Yeah, it's been a fun journey so far. We're about 1 year into my relaxed hair journey, and that's what my next video is about. So please do stay tuned for my 1 year relaxed hair journey update coming up next. But without further ado, thank you, goodbye, bye loves.